Repair Clinic makes fixing things easy, with millions of replacement parts available on our website and the help you need to do the repair yourself. Since we encourage you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace a bake element in your double wall oven, you will need to remove the appliance from the cabinet. Before you do this, be sure to shut off the power to the oven junction box. Fully open the top oven door and rotate both door hinge locks back. Partially close the door, then lift and pull the door toward you to remove. With the handle side down, set the door on a blanket. Repeat this procedure to remove the bottom oven door. Using a Phillips-head screwdriver, unthread the 2 screws to release the bottom vent. Remove all of the oven racks. Now use the Phillips-head screwdriver to unthread the 4 screws, securing the wall oven frame to the cabinet. Have an assistant help you to carefully lift the appliance out of the cabinet and set it on a piece of cardboard to protect the floor. Be aware that if the conduit cable is not long enough to move the wall oven, you will need to disconnect the power and grounding wires from the junction box. Use a 1/4-inch nut driver to unthread the screws, securing the upper rear access panel. Remove the panel. Do the same to remove the lower rear access panel. To replace the upper oven bake element, unthread the screws securing the access plate. Disconnect the bake element wires to fully remove the plate. Next, for both the upper and lower bake elements, unthread the screws securing the perforated flap on the rear panel. Bend the flap upward. Disconnect the bake element wires if required. Use a flathead screwdriver to bend the retaining tab up. Now use a putty knife to help lift up the coils to fully remove the old element. Install the new bake element by inserting it through the rear panel. Once in place, bend the retaining tab down. Now bend the perforated flap back down and replace the screws. After installing the upper bake element, realign and secure the access plate. Connect the bake element wires. Replace both the lower and upper rear access panels, securing them with the screws. Return the wall oven to the cabinet and push it into position. Confirm that the side trim pieces are in place. Then thread the screws to secure the frame to the cabinet. Realign the bottom vent on the oven frame, then thread and tighten the 2 screws to secure. Replace the oven racks. Reinstall the oven doors by inserting the door hinges into the hinge slots at a 45-degree angle. Lower the doors to their fully open position, then rotate the hinge locks forward. With the repair completed, turn the power supply back on, and the double wall oven should be ready for use. At Repair Clinic, we make fixing things easy. Thank you for supporting the production of these videos by purchasing your parts from our website.